Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to speak without fear. So let's get started. Fear disappears not when it's gone, but when you choose to speak. Here's how to start speaking English without fear, step by step. Speak out loud every single day, even if you are alone. Your voice needs exercise. You should try to think in English and speak in English too. Stand in front of a mirror. Try to speak simple sentences. Start small, not perfect. Few sentences are enough. You don't need fancy vocabulary. You just need to use you already know. You are not here to impress people. You are here to express yourself. Record yourself and listen without judgment. This is not to criticize, it's to notice your progress. What sounded unclear, what sounded good. You will be amazed how your voice improves over time. Join the conversations not to prove but to grow. Even if you only say 3-4 words in a group, you are building real courage. You don't need to talk a lot. You just need to say few words. Speaking a little is better than not speaking at all. And we all know that. So, speak less, but try to speak. Change your self talk. Don't say, I am bad at English. Say, I am learning and every sentence is making me better. Fear will still show up, but now it won't stop you. So, go ahead, whisper it, shout it, sing it if you want, but speak it. Because fluency doesn't begin when fear disappears, it begins when you stop waiting for it to disappear. In a simpler way, I can say that you don't need to wait for fear to go away. Just speak even if you feel scared. Your practice will make you better. At last, I can say that fluency doesn't come overnight, but every word you speak brings you closer.